Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled Large Language Models, LLMs, how they work and their capabilities. Imagine a super-powered autocomplete. That's basically what an LLM is. It's a computer program trained on massive amounts of text data, learning to predict the next word in a sentence. Think of it like a really smart parrot that has read every book ever written. Just like we learn from experience, LLMs learn from data. Their training data is a gigantic collection of text and code, books, articles, websites, code repositories. The more data, the smarter, and potentially more biased, the model becomes. Think of it as feeding your parrot a huge library. LLMs use a special type of neural network architecture called transformers. These allow the model to understand the context of words in a sentence. Not just individual words. It's like the parrot understanding the meaning of phrases. Not just individual words. When you give an LLM a prompt, it uses its learned knowledge to predict the most likely next word. Then the next, and so on. It's like asking the parrot to tell a story based on the first sentence you give it. LLMs can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Think of this as the parrot being able to write poems, translate languages, and answer your questions about history. LLMs are not perfect. They can sometimes generate inaccurate or nonsensical information, lack real-world understanding, and can be biased based on their training data. It's like our parrots sometimes making up facts or repeating biases from the books it read. As a developer, you can use LLMs to automate tasks like generating code, improving code quality, creating documentation, and building chatbots. Imagine having a coding assistant that helps you write better code faster. It's crucial to be aware of the ethical implications of using LLMs, such as potential biases in their outputs and the responsible use of generated content. We need to use this powerful tool responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.